Ford Farms, Edison, Georgia, 15-1. Be one load of steers out of 85 head. The base will be somewhere around 7 1/4. $750. Ford Farms, Edison, Georgia. Ford Farms, 15-1. Ernie and Marie Ford. Been raising beef masters for a really long time. Ernie's current president of the Georgia Safe Marketing Association. He's been real active in the Georgia Cattlemen's Association. And just a darn right good old fella. Ford Farms, Edison, Georgia, 15-1. 15-1. Ford Farms, Edison, Georgia. Ernie will sort the cattle next week and get a weight on them. The steers will have somewhere around 75 days before they get on the truck, be delivered before Thanksgiving. Ford Farms, 15-1. Really a nice set of number 1 muscle, medium and large frame Beefmaster sired steers. Ernie has fed the steers in previous years in Texas and in Decatur County. A lot more muscle and bone in these Beefmaster sired steers. Ford Farms, Edison, Georgia, 15-1. One load out of 85 steers. Be somewhere around 7 1/4, 7 1/2 at delivery. Ford Farms, 15-1.